I often ask clients that want to go on this AI journey, have you thought of what your workforce will look like in 5 years? What kind of upskilling do you need? And that is if people are what I call upskillable, and that's nothing to do with intellect. It is just I've been capturing invoices for 30 years. I've got 5 years left for retirement. Don't teach me to code. I'm not going to do that or be an AI expert. But also, what kind of talent do you need to attract over the next 5 years? You probably need job roles that don't exist in your HR department at the moment. So I just think, and just to complement what both of you are saying, the beast that you are tackling when you say let's AI stuff is so much bigger than people think. It's worth doing it wisely and slowly, but to just say, plug it in, let's start checking what the AI is spitting out, you underestimate human resistance and how costly it's going to be and how difficult it's going to be and how long it's going to take if you don't do it right.